Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, September 30th, our word of the day is vilify. V-I-L-I-F-Y. Vilify. Vilify is a 6-letter word and a verb. Remember, verbs are words that show action, occurrence, or state of being. Vilify means to say or write unpleasant things about someone or something, to cause other people to have a bad opinion of them. In other words, to vilify someone is to spread nasty stories about them, whether true or not. Similar words include libel, malign, slander, smear, traduce, disparage, denigrate, defame, revile, berate, vituperate. Examples of sentences using vilify are: he was vilified by the press as a monster. Pregnant addicts were vilified as child abusers and killers. History books alternate between praising and vilifying him. People should be supporting people like me, not vilifying me. During the tour, the press vilified the rockers as bad-mouthed, loud, gaudy and unkempt. You speak of democracy but vilify those that dare speak against your hero. Make sure to save this new word, vilify, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers!